My father told me I was timid child. At the school they said I had no style. And I was dreaming to be those cookies, but I can't afford my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places all these years.
While I was here, and everything looks different. It looks absolutely different. Oh, it's softlife.com. Yes. It's lifestyle channel plus photography.
I will definitely.
So we are here, cilantro. Very tired, hungry, and then hot.
Sneaker brands, Skechers, Adidas. No?
It's not really.
Come on, Theo.
Hi guys, so if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Cheers, thank you. Flurry sounds and smiles. Oh, park. It's pretty dark in Zuma Rock. And how am I feeling? I don't know. I'm feeling perhaps I don't know. Yeah, I just decided to come out to the park itself to have a quiet time. You know, I could actually do some Bible study right here and now. I mean, it's not a bad idea. I think that is what I should do. I don't think my mind is in there, so I think I'm just gonna enjoy the breeze, enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the quietness. Hey, how cute! So I'm going down somewhere here in the park to look for something I can do. There is supposed to be a swing. I know I've seen before, but the people I'm asking are not really sure what I'm talking about. So they have told me that there's something there that has rope that you need to climb, and then you now fly. Okay, I said, okay, let me go give it a try. Let's see what's happening there. Hi guys, so you have to pardon me because I'm using an external microphone, and this microphone is so weird that if you swing it or if you don't take it too close to you, you would not be audible. People wouldn't hear what you're saying, so I have to like hold it like this. I mean, I'm not even a reporter and this makes me feel weird, but here I am doing it so that I can have clear sound. Anyways, we're gonna manage, right? All I wanna say is that I couldn't really think about it. Ow! Mommy! Wait. Nothing should bite me, oh. See, my... All I wanna say is that I didn't really get us. I don't know. Why are you vibrating? Are you alright? See the corner eye. You're giving me the bombastic side eye.
My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cookies, but I can't afford my own tea.
I'm tired. See, that's the rock behind me. We're supposed to go there and take some pictures. But at this, oh, look at the, yeah, funny. At this point, I am tired and I cannot move an inch. I've exceeded my walking limit, right? And I am thirsty, I'm hungry, I'm tired, basically tired. So I don't think I'm gonna go further and join the rest of the people for the pictures. I think I can live without the pictures. I've been here before anyways. I've taken pictures at Zuma before, so this is not new for me. So I'm going back to where I can sit and then have some relaxation time at the swing.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true. But I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places all these years. I used to cry overnight.
Melodia, Oyeji cash, shopping and spending cash. There is no mercy for money. Why? Oyeji cash, shopping and spending cash. There is no mercy for money. Black and white, Oyeji cash.
I've had some sugar now, and I have more energy.